Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today what I'm going to be working on is I noticed that as the Nintendo Switch becomes older, the first generation, a lot of people are having issues with the battery on these. So these two controllers are my kids. They've had it for 3-4 years now, and these batteries don't last long. And I've tried purchasing knockoffs. The original one from Nintendo cost about $80. So I bought some knockoffs, which I have, but they have delays or they're not as good as the original. So what I've come across now is I'm going to replace the batteries in these because these are not hard to do. The joysticks on these are still really good. My kids don't play that much, but the battery don't last as long anymore. So when they plug it in, when they play on it, it's good because they're attached. But when they're running off wireless, in about 5 minutes, these batteries die out. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the batteries on these. This is a really nifty screwdriver I purchased from Amazon, and these have all the heads that you'll need for like your glasses, controllers, and the cool part is it actually has the heads to open these. I don't know what that bit is called, but I call it the Nintendo bit. So these are the batteries I also purchased from Amazon. These came yesterday. So in this kit, it actually comes with screwdrivers already. So you technically don't need this, but I like using this one. This one's got a lot of nifty heads that I use for my other stuff. So this one comes with 2 batteries, and these batteries look like exactly the same as the Nintendo ones. The Nintendo ones also say made in China. So I'll show it to you after when I take this apart. So I'm going to show you guys how to take it apart. So the head that we're using today is Y06W15. Y06W16. No, sorry, W06. So we're going to take this apart, and so this is the battery that I bought. It was roughly about $20 for 2 Canadian. And we're going to take this apart. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. So you want something soft on the bottom so you don't scratch up these joysticks, right? So the end that we're using is Y06. That's 1 screw. That is 2 screw. That is 3 screw. And that is 4 screws. So after we remove the 4 screws, you will gently open the side from here, on the side panel, and this opens up just like that. And you see this battery? Also made in China. Same as this battery. Rechargeable lithium, also made in China. And the connectors, this connector is exactly the same as this connector right there. So this battery is very easy to replace. Let me zoom in a little bit. So this whole battery actually comes out if you give it a little nudge from the side. So this battery comes out just like that. And then if you look very closely, this connector just pops right out. So I just give it a little pull, comes right off. That's it. And then we're gonna put the new one in, and we're gonna insert it back this exact same way. Close it up, put those 4 screws back on, and that's it. So let me work on that. So you probably want a flathead screwdriver to actually press that down when he gets in there. So I'm gonna get a flathead. So once you get it in, it looks like this. You see, it only fits in one way. Then the cable goes around underneath here, and the battery fits niftily back in all together. And then we're going to close it up. So this is the new battery. I'm going to close it up, keep everything in place. Look at that. The lights already start blinking. So this remote, or this switch remote, was only lasting about 5 minutes. I've got the new battery in there, and we're going to give it a try. So I'm going to change the head. So I used the flat head to push that cable in there. And now I'm going to change it back to the Y06 head, which is for Nintendo screws. It's like a triangular star. So like I said again, this kit comes with screwdrivers, but I like using this one. The feel and the grip is really good on this one. And there you have it. This is the old battery. This is the old battery. The new one's inside. And it has been replaced. So we're gonna give it a try. And then I'm gonna do the same to this one, because these batteries come in a pair. And that's it. So if you enjoy my videos, please smash a like and subscribe to my channel. From time to time, I will try to do more content that you guys want, or leave me comments on what content you want to do, and I will try to record those and show you guys how to fix things, okay? So today we've replaced the battery in one of these JoyCons for Generation 1. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Smash a like, subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video. Thank you.